Hey family, welcome back. Welcome back to another episode. Today I was gonna do a challenge, right? But I was gonna do it all by myself. I was gonna do the blazing hot wing challenge. And I still may do it. I may do it sometime this week. It's a surprise. So I don't know exactly what day. But I've been hearing so much about these blazing hot wings. I want to try them for myself. I can tolerate a little heat. Maybe a lot of heat. I don't know. We'll see. Because I want to see what all the craziness is about. So I'm going to judge for myself. But I did go to Buffalo Wild Wings and I just got the daily special, which is the, oh my God, what is it? Oh, Philly steak and cheese, y'all. The Southwest Philly steak and cheese and fries. And for drinks, I got some ice cold sweet tea. That I had in my fridge, just waiting for me. Yes, yes. So how's everyone doing today? I don't know, y'all. I like to smile. So, this is what I wanted to talk to y'all about. Oh, I'm sorry. You know, we cannot eat without giving thanks, okay? Now that's out the way. Let's eat. Okay, but this is what I wanted to talk to y'all about. Got some melted cheese here. I guess to go on the Southwest steak and cheese, right? But how many of y'all seen Prissy P on Bdubs show? I mean Bdubs channel. They were so cute together. I'm a subscriber to both of their channels. And I just like how Bdubs seems so open, so friendly. She seems so nice, just like such a sweet person. She is definitely on my list of people who I want to meet, right? Don't she? She is so nice. And they were, oh, look at my steak and cheese, y'all. This is just the steak without the cheese. Oops. So they put everything on the side, so I have to dress it up. I'm gonna add some cheese. Like that there. And I hope I don't make a mess. Like that there, right? And I'm gonna add the salt. Oops. Oh, I got all the juice. Shoot. Oops. Oops. I'm gonna eat it anyway, right? So there it is. There it is, y'all. So yeah, I just thought that was so beautiful how she just, I'm gonna add some cheese on the top. How she just opened her home up to both of them, Prissy P and her husband. And then, girl, did y'all see today they had a seafood boil? And they didn't even invite me? What? I'm gonna have to call her. I'm gonna call her. Can you imagine being there eating a seafood boil with the girl? Be Lovely herself. I want to do that one day. And That sauce, I'm gonna make that sauce too one day. A lot of people say it was delicious. I want to try it for myself. It looked like they just had a good time. She had some king crab legs. What does she have? Mussels. I love mussels, y'all. Yeah. Shrimp. Them big colossal shrimps. Oh my God. I love their rapport, their energy they were giving off. They were just so hyped and alive, and they were enjoying each other's company. I love that. Yep, I think Saturday it was just Prissy, Pete, and B-Love. And then Sunday it was everybody. Except for, I think they said the son was upstairs. And it was just B-Love. Nate was off to the side. Prissy P and her husband, Rayshawn. I can never forget their name because my nephew's name is Rayshawn. Shout out to all the Rayshawn out there. Shout you out. Yeah, but they had a wonderful time. So I'm like, she had another person on there a couple of months ago. Like earlier in the year. I think it was like earlier in the year she had, what is her name? Oh, forgive me. I'm going to think of it. I'm going to think of an area right here. Bam. That's her. Her. And she was only, I think she had came a visit B-Love for a week. She stayed a whole week. I don't think she stayed with her. I think she was in a hotel, but she was over her house all week. And they ate all kinds of food. Indian food, Chinese food. You know, they did a seafood boil without me again. I'm gonna have to call her. They had all kinds of stuff. Ribs, chicken, seafood, anything you could name, they had it. Honey, I would have to lose 20 pounds before I go see her. Because I know I'm going to gain 20 pounds, so I might as well lose them first. So I can gain them out, still be at my even weight. You know how it is. But wow. I know they had a great time. Named Darius. Darius. Yeah, Darius and Dalvin, yeah. The son, he was upstairs. But, they had a wonderful time. I loved it. And Prissy P, she really cracks me up with those faces she be making. And I didn't know she started just last year. Excuse me. Just last year, 2017. I know that's when B-Love started, January 2017. Isn't it amazing how far they've gotten? The success they reached is awesome. Awesome. I was saying, people like you. Ooh. That would have been a mess. I would have been so embarrassed. But as I was saying, if people like you, they're gonna like you no matter what. I mean, I know when you have a platform such as they do, you're exposing yourself to all types of energies, I call it. Honey, you know what I've done? I wrote down every ugly name a person could possibly call me. So, if I hear it, okay, I already heard that. Let's keep it moving. Ooh, stomach. So, you know, I'm just here to have fun, meet good people, motivate, inspire other people, share some good news. Because, I mean, as soon as you wake up, it seems like sometimes that's all you hear is bad news. Enough of that already. Kill that noise. Yeah, but I thought that was so cool. Oh, so anyway, I had an awesome birthday, y'all. It rained, but that's alright. It's okay. Little rain ain't stop me from doing what I wanted to do. Okay. But, y'all, thank you for all the birthday wishes again. And, it was a beautiful day anyway. You know, I'm not going to complain. It could have snowed. It could have hailed. You know what I'm saying? It could have flooded. Whatever. You know what? After what I've been through, honey, each day is a blessing. Every day I say thank you for seeing another one of your beautiful days. No matter how hot it is, no matter if it rains, sleet, hail, snow, I don't care. Thank you for waking my eyes up. Thank you for having these and these and this. This right here. A peace of mind. Peace. Psh, baby. Baby. Money can't buy that. So, hey. Whatever. Kill all that negative noise. I don't want to hear all that. But anyway, like I was saying, I had a beautiful time. And, hey, it was what it was, right? Time be flying. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed my last videos. My birthday celebration. And, y'all, excuse me, I'm going to start doing some more episodes, if you will, out and about. You know, I'm starting to get used to my little iPhone camera thing, know how to work the iMovie thing. So I'm learning everything. I'm learning. So just bear with me, be patient. And I appreciate, hi new subscribers, hi. Welcome, thank you. You won't be disappointed, thank you. And like I always say, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you did so, thank you in advance. And like the good book says, you are too blessed to be stressed, and I love you. And there's not a doggone thing you can do about it. Look at this viewfinder trying to find my head. This is crazy. Hey. Okay, y'all. Like I said, ain't a doggone thing you can do about it. I love you, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. Bye.